Right, today's job is going to be fixing that. Clipped it on a bloody curb and it's ripped out a right chunk. So I think what we'll do today, I've got bits I think for it, so I'll have to look. But luckily it's bolted all underneath. So we'll get this whipped off and then we'll see what we can do with it. See if it can be repaired. Like bloody eggshell that. Right, so these bits are recovered. Obviously there's a couple of bits missing here. God knows where they've gone. They're just pinged out somewhere. I haven't got a clue where they went. So I'm going to use this plastic welder. So I'm just going to glue these bits here now. See if they stick first. I don't think they're sticking too well, but just enough for all the shape of it. And then what I'll do, I'll weld these two then. And then we'll put it on here, stick it back together best we can, and then try and fill these bits in here. Well, that's most can get welded now. It's all bits I've found. It's all stuck in. See in there, so I'll cover this bit over here now. We'll see what comes with that. Right, so that's that splitter off now. Excuse the junk in the garage. And then we're going to look at the damage now. What I did with this was I plastic welded it while it was on the van just to keep the shape of it, because this piece had broke off completely around here. So that's just temporary, that for all day. And then what I'm going to have to do is tape up these back edges here with probably some grease paper or something, so no it sticks to it, and then build this section up here. Not sure how it's going to work out like, but gonna try this glass fibre kit here, give it a whirl, some spare tissue there, and then I'll probably finish the outside off then with some plastic bumper filler, and then we'll spray it up. So we'll see how that gets on. Yeah, as you can see now, I've just put a thin sheet of fibreglass on it now just to bridge that gap. It's quite a big gap that where it's broken off, and then that's got quite hard now. So what I'm going to do is put quite a few layers down here now, start building that up, just to give it that strength and make it a bit more rigid. And then I'll finish the outside bit on that one. This was a tricky bit here because this is the bit where it's actually split in half, and it was just a lot of pieces this. So I've managed to stick down most of what I could in here. And just put a fine layer in that one. I'm just going to start building that up now inside, and then I'll move on to outside then, and we'll get the this bit smoothed off and get this built up, and then same on this side as well. Let's get this built round. Stuff on there, it's like a flexible filler. We'll see what that's like. I'm just sanding this piece down now, get it cleaned up. Goes off in about 10 minutes, that rock hard. Well, it's starting to take shape now. As you Going down, it's got a little tiny bit there which divoted in a little touch there, so I might just fill that bit in a little bit more, but not too bad now. Getting there. She's back on there. Happy days.